there is a strong need for concerted efforts to save the history of Igbo and the culture from going into perdition. This has necessitated the creation of a central hub, digital, physical, or hybrid, where data, information, and other resources on the Igbo people and their culture are stored, managed, and made accessible. We may add here that the scant attention to the Igbo people of Nigeria, their history and their culture, dates back even to the colonial times and the early years of post-independent Nigeria. We recall that in the years when the history was still being taught in Nigerian secondary schools, West African history included the history of the Oyo Empire, of the Yorubas, the Benin Kingdom, of the Bini people, the Hausa Bakwai, states of the Hausa Fulani. Little or nothing was taught about the Igbos, except the mention of a few individual personalities, like the Kinjaja of Opobo. And this is in relation to the trading activities of the European merchants, like the Royal Niger Kingdom.